So each of 25 makes his way up to the start. That's the UK Young Chinese Entrepreneur Association, Boat 1. In the middle, Genesis Infinity, and on the right hand side, the Federation of Chinese Associations of Manchester. That's Heat 25, making his way up to the start. The penultimate heat, Heat 26, is loading, and the Heat 27 should all be in the pens. Last call please for K2 to pen 1, Team Out Business Centre to pen 2, PCL to pen 3. Last and final call, Heat 27, the last of the heats, the last of round 3.